found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
Right, so yeah, so basically the master switch on my car doesn't work. So it's supposed to be simple, but like everything else with this car that I've done so far was not simple. So yeah, I hope it's simple. But before we get started, make sure to check out my Discord. The link is in the description. You can have different channels for everything. You can ask questions, you can suggest videos, and you can even put memes in it, which I might react to when there's enough to react to. If that's not going to happen anytime soon, then I'm just going to ask my friends to be dickheads and just, yeah, put whatever they want in them. So yeah, let's continue with the video. So as you can see, ignition on. The front driver's window kind of works, kind of. There's some like, I'm still just pressing it down without being in automatic mode, but there's like a contact bit where that doesn't really work. And then full automatic works, and then non-automatic and automatic up works. I'm gonna keep that like that just because this is the only window that I can't use other switches for. I cannot control the passenger side window, the front passenger window. I cannot control that whatsoever. And this doesn't light up. This is supposed to light up. Maybe you can see there's a tiny bit of difference. Maybe this is kind of, yeah, it doesn't really show up on camera. Yeah. Maybe it kind of shows up. Anyway, it's supposed to be red and it's not lighting up. So there's definitely something wrong with it. It's really hot outside. It's what? It is 19.5 degrees and I'm in a black car on the sun. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those windows down. Yeah, so this is supposed to be simple. So you're supposed to take this bit off with something. Now you would usually use, like, you can see that someone has already tried to do it, probably did it. I kind of don't care if this is going to be scratched up, so I'm just literally going to use a flathead screwdriver. But before I do that, let me just unpack this real quick. Don't worry, I'm only taking apart the sellotape that this was kind of used to, I guess, secure the whole thing with, the wrap with. Yeah. And that's it. That's it. This is obviously used because this is probably, since it's Volkswagen, probably costs like 500 euros or something ridiculous. So yeah, got this from a wrecker on eBay. I think with shipping from the UK, I know I could have used eBay Ireland, but literally I called up like 6 or 7 junkyards and none of them even had an Altea or Altea XL. So yeah, I just went onto the UK eBay and just, yeah, paid a bit extra. It was 25 euros and you have a 30-day return like policy with eBay, so it's fairly good. It's what you would get on my local wrecker, so I'm happy with this. So let's start taking this whole thing apart. Right, so let's see if I can, you know, pry this apart. Right, so this is extremely tough to take off and it sounds scary, but basically the thing is, since this has so much, like, you know, coming out, the whole bottom thing kind of has to come out, so you can't just pull it off. You kind of, yeah, so basically you unclip these, these two at the start, and then you come here and then you unclip this, and then you kind of slowly make your way into the middle where the two ways you've unclipped kind of meet, and then you slowly pry it off. There we go. Here, see? So 2 clips, and then this has to, like, so basically, so you undo this clip, and then you kind of come to the end, and then you start making your way into the middle, and then this has to slide off, so that's why you can't really just pry it off. So yeah, this is, I'll give it a wipe, yeah. And now 5 minutes later of just looking at it, I couldn't see a screw, so I kind of started pulling up, and that's the way you do it. And now it all makes sense that these clips have to be undone by pulling up. So basically pop it off with one of those screwdrivers and you'll be good. It should come out now. There, and now there's this connector which has to be unplugged. So let's quickly do that. So the way you unplug this is you pull this up with your finger like that, and then it should release. Just saying, no normal human being can open this with their bare hands. It took me like 2 minutes, and so why do you need such a... Can't be arsed anymore. Right, and it did fall off, so yeah, go me. Right, so let's see. I presume, love this. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of, you please work. Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda. Yeah, so that's Volkswagen Audi group for you. Are these just basically tiny little clips and then it comes out? Let me just... I think. It's a good thing I have this for reference because I can see where the clips are. Let's see, is the connector the same? So this is that connector. That's that connector. It seems to have the same amount of pins. Everything seems to be the same. So yeah. Okay. I have high hopes. So excuse the cable, but literally my next problem is that there are 6 clips that I can see. And they are so tight that once you undo one, it immediately goes back. You literally need 6 different people to undo these clips, and it's properly pissing me off. I've been at this for a good 5 minutes now. And I decided to document this. So that's undone. That's kind of undone. That's kind of undone. That's kind of undone. Okay, so one side is undone. Now, this is where another person would be really handy to have. That's kind of... No, that's not undone. Not undone anymore. I don't think this is undone anymore. There. Oh, that... Okay. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Okay, so I found a way. Basically, push from the top. Literally, just push the buttons from the top. And then unclip it. And then... Come on, there we go. That's it. Oh, one of them broke off. Oh, I can see what happened there. Maybe? Can I? Yep, that's also gonna break off. Will these break off? No. Yeah. So this... So that's supposed to be a hole. Yeah, and it's not. And look on the other side. Yeah, it's supposed to be a hole, not this. Yeah. Also, it says Italy on it, so I presume it's made in Italy. It's probably why it broke. LOL. Right, let's get the new one in. Let's see if it makes a difference. I hope it does, because if it doesn't, then this video is probably not going to go up. So, easily slide it in. Slide it in. There we go. There we go. This side is... Nope, it's not it. There's something wrong that I cannot see. Oh, whoops. Oh, whoop, this is not very good for it. Right, make sure that you slide it in evenly and look at the actual thing. So when you look at it and when you push it down, make sure that's kind of lined up. Kind of like now, because when I first did it now, this button was not lined up. So let me look at it. Make sure that's lined up, and then separate your fingers and push it in evenly from all different corners if you can. And there, it's in. Feels good. Right. I want to plug it in first. I have nothing to pull the window towards me with. So I want to plug it in first to see if it works. There. Now, ignition on. Oh, that works. Oh, that works. Yep, it all works. It all works. Yep, it all works. Oh, I'm happy. I am happy. Okay, right. Let me just turn the ignition off. I forgot to say, turn the ignition off when you unplug this, because I mean it probably does no harm to to turn the ignition off. Probably does more good than bad. So yeah, might as well do that. Right, let me just put this back in, or at least clip it in, and we'll see how it goes. Fun fact, this is really hard to get back in. Right, I hope you guys can see better now, but this is where it would be really nice if somebody was on the outside of the door, pushing against you, because you would have two hands to go against it. That's one in, that's two, three, that's in. Come on, back ones, go in. Where's this? That's it, there. Is this as far as they go in? Really? This is as far as they go in? Oh, it is. It does seem to be, this is as far as it goes in. Odd. Thought it would go in more. Thought it would actually like properly sink in, but like every hole and everything aligns, so I presume it doesn't go in anymore. Right. Right, there. Yep, this should do it. Yep, that's wiped down. Did say I'm gonna give it a wipe. Didn't say how I'm gonna do it. So now, I think you need to make sure that these actually slide in and don't go up from the top. So I guess slide it. There are holes on the bottom, so align it with that. Kind of slide it in, and then after that, just kind of want to make sure that they kind of line in or line up. There. Push it from the bottom because they need to go in first for the top clips to actually clip in. So, perfect, right? Let's see. Right, ignition on. Actually, let me just pull this down because I just did that to make sure that you guys see better. Right, ignition on. Perfect. Will it go up? Amazing. Perfect. Does it work non-automatic? Yes, it does. Automatic? Yep. Non-automatic up? Yep. Works perfectly. Passenger side? Non-automatic. Yeah, I need to do something on that side. It seems to be from the warm, like this. It doesn't do it when it's not hot, but when it's warm on this side, it actually like. Yeah, so automatic works. And the thing is, the more I do it with it, you know, just being so held in place, I'm actually burning the regulator out. It needs more energy to actually bring the window up and down. So I'm gonna have to fix that. There. Yeah, okay, just take my word that that works. Let's see. Yeah. Non-automatic works. Automatic works up. Automatic works down. Yep, let's pull that up. And behind me, let's see. Yep, automatic up and down. Automatic. Yep. Yep. Nope. Window. Thank you. Right. Does the child lock thing work? It should be. So it shouldn't work now. So if I press the back switch, the window shouldn't go up or down. Yep. It doesn't go up and down. And when I depress that, it should work. Yep. It all works. Okay. Right. So I think this is it. So, success. Right. I'm happy with this. If you have problems, eBay is there to solve them. Right, so I'm happy with this. Success, 100%. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So, right, so thank you all for watching, and like this video if you liked it. Dislike if you didn't, tell me why, and consider subscribing because I will be doing more of these type of videos. And I'm just on a roll with all of these videos going out. So there should be one before this, and there should be one after this as well. So yeah, lots of videos I've lined up. So, bye.
Models popping bottles.